Smith, nice blocking, and he's into the end zone. Touchdown, Terrence Smith. Approaching the 10-minute mark. Edwards takes a snap, fakes the pitch out, pressures on, spins out of a tackle, and he is into the end zone. Snap down, kick is up, and this one is good. Edwards drops back, pressures on, going to run into his own blockers. Pressures on here from Hayes. He's still on his feet, and he'll dump it here for Spencer Tears, who's going to have a first down and quite a bit more. Edwards hands off to Wesley over the pile, and he snap to Johnson. A deep shot right away for Steve Newbold. In the catch, touchdown, Steve Newbold. One play, the field goal. Edwards pressures on, rolls out. He's going to get to the first down and the end zone. Edwards hands it off to Wesley, cuts to the outside, and Ed Wesley into the end zone. Touch, second down and a short goal. Edwards reaches over the goal line, touchdown. Johnson, going to be a quick pass high and intercepted. It was off the hands of Marquise Irvin.
And he's been tough to stop.
40 points given up by the Blizzard. Johnson takes a snap, drops back, pressures on. He's going to roll out, directing traffic, throws across his body, and another interception. It's Michael Lovett on the return. And he's going to be brought down at the 15. Edwards pressures on, deep shot for Bond. Did he hold on to that catch? Unbelievable. Edwards drops back, pressure is on, he will get out of it, and he will run. He's got green grass, and he's got a ton points on and in a hurry. Myler fakes the pitch out, rolls out, throws the end zone, caught! Steve Newbold. Any momentum helps. Handoff to Terrence Smith to the goal line, touchdown Green Bay. Edwards drops back, steps up, and runs. Will he be short? No, he's going to reach for the goal line. Myler throws over the middle to Irvin, and intercepted once again off the hands of Marquise Irvin. And a handoff to Jerminic Smith. No, a keeper. Edwards to the goal line. Touchdown. To go in the fourth quarter. Frisco up 69-30. Pass is picked off. Going back the other way, it is Cordell Jackson into the end zone. Touchdown, Frisco. Play clock. That will do it.